been a hard time for many of our communities of late, and we know that many of our business communities are doing it particularly hard. I'm here this morning at the riverbank in CBD to talk to you about what Council is doing to help local business as part of our COVID-19 recovery actions. I'm pleased to announce the launch of Council's business prospectus for Central Maitland, and this is part of Council's COVID-19 recovery response for business. Council engaged researchers to see what business mix you wanted to see in Central Maitland, including the Levy. The prospectus was built from what you told us you wanted to see in Central Maitland. That includes fresh produce, gourmet bakery and patisserie, cheese shops, deli, butchers. This prospectus will be distributed to targeted businesses, business prospects and real estate agents so that they can help create the mix that you want to see in Central Maitland. If you are a local business wishing to diversify, or someone wishing to invest in Maitland, could you please make contact with Council? And if you would like more information about the prospectus, please go on our website and have a look. Council will next focus on developing a business prospectus for Morpeth. I'm also pleased to announce the launch next week of Council's Digital Accelerator program. The program will assist participating retail businesses over the next months to develop their e-commerce online capabilities. If you're one of those businesses and you're wishing to participate, hop on to Council's website and have a look in the business section. Don't forget the Levy one-day sale is on Saturday from 9 AM. Hop in, support our local retailers and grab yourself a bargain. From 9 AM on Sunday, our chemical clean out is on. You can dispose of your gas bottles, paints and more.